Good morning. Everybody is welcome to my YouTube channel AIHR Integrative Health. It's my great pleasure that I am sharing my practical experience in the form of the video. I tried the patient with the help of the color therapy, color points, and I always get very good and outstanding excellent results from the patient. They also give me feedback very positively. Today I am going to discuss about the blood pressure issue. It is a commonly known to everybody. If you are having blood pressure, you cannot cure the blood pressure. You just control the blood pressure, or with the help of the medicines. That medicines may be Ayurvedic medicine, or that medicines may be homeopathic medicine, it may be natural medicine. But you have never heard about the colors. Colors can control your blood pressure. I have tried this protocol on so many patients, and from everybody gave me a positive feedback. Their blood pressure is controlled and they are happy. They have reduced their medicine, or important thing, they have not yet started the medicine for the blood pressure, even though the doctor had advised them, you please continue the medicine for the blood pressure. But those patients who come to my clinic, I always advise them, you try my points, you apply my color therapy. Even then, if you find you are comfortable, you can continue it. If you find these points are not working, we can discuss with each other, and I will suggest you another protocol. Because blood pressure is a disease which has so many symptoms, so many reasons, so many lifestyle things. So therefore, it is not necessary that one protocol suits to one patient. The same protocol may suit to another patient, because his reason of blood pressure is different. Her reason of blood pressure is different. This is the important thing which I always keep in mind, and always I try to dig out from the patient. What is the reason? What is the mental stress? What is your lifestyle? What is your way of living? What is your way of walking? And so many other things related to your life. If they are able to explain it, I am able to diagnose the root cause of the blood pressure from the patient. Today I am going to discuss a case. In this testimonial I have also received. In this video I will also share the testimonial of the patient. That patient was a lady patient, and she was having a regular blood pressure. She went to a doctor, allopathic doctor. A doctor advised her, it is better you start the medicine now. So that lady was known to one of my friends, or you can say one of my patients. He is very well known to me. He said to her, don't worry, I will consult Professor Sunil Agarwal. I will let you know what possible best can be done for you. So I have suggested the point which I am going to share with you, so that you can also try that point. If you are having a constipation, then you may be having the blood pressure. If you are having a gastric issue, then you will be having the blood pressure. If you are having something with the heart, then you may have the blood pressure. If you are under stress, then there may be blood pressure. If you are an insomnia patient, then you may have the patient. If liver heat is excess, then you may have the blood pressure. If spleen is not working properly, or spleen is not rotating your blood and food in the body properly, even then you have the blood pressure. If your urinary bladder, bladder system is having some issue, then you may be having the blood pressure. Because in some cases you must have seen, when you take the blood pressure medicine, you immediately pass the urine 4-5 times and you become normal. So this is the reason your urinary bladder, urinary system, kidney, large intestine, they all are responsible for your blood pressure. Here I am going to discuss the blood pressure issue which is due to stress and due to heart palpitation high or something more related to your stress, brain, sleep and that other etc. etc. So this is the black color pen because you know the circulatory system contains the most of the blood in the nervous system. And nervous system, when there is a excess pressure in the brain, then you feel the blood pressure. Now the question, how you can handle the excess heat of the brain, or you can create a circulatory system better in the body. In this way I use a color marker because blood pressure is a nature of disease, of energy is a heat energy or the hotness energy. As you know, hotness energy is controlled by the water. If there is a fire, you always put the water to stop its spreading. Similarly, same theory I use in the human body. If there is excess blood flow in the body, excess blood flow from the liver, excess blood flow in the brain, means there is a heat energy in the blood which is creating a additional circulation of blood in the body and causing to the blood pressure. What you need? You need to increase or induce the coldness in the body or in the nervous system so that your blood pressure can be controlled. So I use the black marker for that purpose because black marker represents the coldness energy. This coldness energy is a water is a coldness color, controller color is black color. So I will show you one by one what point I have put. This is my hand. I will try to show you the points where you can put the black dots in case of high blood pressure. So immediately within half an hour, 2 hours, 1 hour, you will get the very good response, and I am sure you will follow this video, you share this video amongst your friends, and you also subscribe my channel so that more and more people can see my channel and maximum number of people can be benefited just by putting the black dots on the palm. These dots I am putting on the palm because I am a Sujog master. So in Sujog I am putting these points on the palm. But in practical, if you are a TCM, if you know the TCM, then all these points accordingly has to be put on the body. The first point I will put, this is the point, I will put a black dot here. You can see it very well. First black dot. Second black dot. This is inducing the coldness energy in your pericardium. Third point, it is for the liver. Liver heat is being reduced and coldness energy is being induced in the liver heat point. Next 3 points I have used. These are the 3 points on the middle finger. This 1 point also on the middle finger on the lever side. These 3 points on the kidney side. And these 2 points are on the pericardium side. Now I will put a black dot below this nail. I am putting this dot below the nail. In my previous video, you must have seen this area belongs to the occipital head. Occipital head is a mini brain from where the all blood goes down below the body. So if there is a problem in this area, blood is not flowing downward and creating a pressure in the brain, then you must apply this point. And last, most important point. As you know, this is the area of the heart. This is the point of the heart, very important point for the heart, where the little finger, where the little toe is touching to the palm, there is a heart point. But I will use another point which I have found most effective and most result oriented, and immediately people find the result. On this point, I have also given the video in another video where I am using brown color, green color, red color, black color on this same point. But in case of heart, in case of blood pressure, you can put the red color on this point. These all are the points which can control your blood pressure. If you are in the age of starting the blood pressure, then you can apply all these points. If you are a continuous blood pressure patient, even then you can apply these points regularly. If you apply these points regularly, I am sure you may be able to control slowly your blood pressure. So these are the points which I am showing to one by one. These are the points. These are the few important points. If you put these points, I am sure you will get very good results in the blood pressure system. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. You are always welcome to my AIHR Integrative Health YouTube channel. You are also welcome to register yourself for any health issues. My website, AIHR Integrative Health Care. On the Facebook, Sunil Agarwal, my page is there on the Sunil Agarwal. And WhatsApp mobile number is 9717380071. You are always welcome to discuss with me. You like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Don't forget to press the icon button so that whenever I am posting a new video, you can get the message. Thank you so much.